Georgia JV Sports Cards right in a box of Benchwarmer. The Curb. Good luck. Curb picked the box because he's got #1 pick. So we got 5 of 5, Buffy Tyler. And Trishelle Thompson, 12 of 25. Jessica Rockwell, Angel Boris Reed, Nicole Bennett, Tamara Whitmer, Brandy Grace, Tiffany Toth, Lisa Lakatos, Mallory Mackey. And the base card is 6 of 15, Tabitha Taylor. Tabitha Taylor, 6 of 15. 2 of 25, Brandy Roderick. 2 of 25. Peggy Tanois and Mickey Black on the yearbooks. And the last 2 hits. 3 of 3. Do you need a tutor? Shannon Malone. Inscription autograph. 3 of 3. Next. Skirt autograph. 10 of 10. Nikki Ziering. 10 of 10. There we go, guys. Good luck.